Hello students, you are watching SNS World YouTube channel. Today I am happy to interact with you. Today I start first chapter of your history. You know that which century now going on? Now is 21st century. Then you go back 15th century. In 15th century, what was the condition of the world? Here written about Europe. Your topic is the modern world. A period of transition. Modern. Now you are living in modern world. All the world is now a village. We interact with people around the world through internet. So how the human developed, that things we know from history. Our history is divided into three parts. But ancient, medieval and modern. So this is modern, and modern period started in 15th century. Where? In Europe. You know that in India 18th century. After that, but in Europe 15th century modern period started. In that period, what change happened? Those things content in this chapter. You understood about the period of history: ancient, medieval and modern. Ancient, that stone age, those things you read it in standard 6 and 7. Medieval period, changing religion, like that. Modern period, many things changed. Now we are in modern age. Then what content in this topic? In this topic, Renaissance, exploration and discoveries, Reformation and Counter-Reformation, Industrial Revolution, Imperialism. Then what you remember? Renaissance, exploration and discoveries, Reformation and Counter-Reformation, Industrial Revolution, Imperialism. First, Renaissance. What do you mean by Renaissance? Renaissance means revival of learning. When people settle, at that time they started thinking about new ideas. They want to change. Then Renaissance means in search. At that time, revival of learning, art and humanism. That thing narrated in the Renaissance. And exploration and discoveries, people went from one place to another. At that time they know about marine compass, and through that compass they travel through seas and discover many islands, many country, and trade. Those things developed. Reformation, at that time they don't believe in superstition. Superstitions means blind belief. And Counter-Reformation means at that time authority of Pope also challenged and they want to reform. Martin Luther King came and many reformation happened. And industrial revolution, at that time industry, paper industry, many invention and discoveries happened, and machine replaced by manual labor, their productivity more, and capitalism started, means people store wealth, money, and they wanted to develop. When money in their hand, they develop infrastructure, roads, buildings, their lifestyle changed. And imperialism, they moved other countries to spread their business and set up their colonies. Now you understood? Now we cover up about Renaissance. Renaissance means rebirth or rebirth. What is the reason behind it? At that time, Pope in Italy, whose value degrade or down, people not believe theories or what instruction given by the authority. They want to challenge it. One type of revolution started. That's why they wanted change. And the Renaissance developed trade, commerce and literature, science, those things. And before Renaissance, one thing is that crusade. Crusade means holy war. Holy war between Christian and Muslims. When war happened, at that time many fled away to different countries, universities. They learned and grasped many things. Basically, Renaissance started in Italy because of it is the headquarters of Pope. Then what? Literature at that time, William Shakespeare, many discoveries happened. Blood circulation, they know about it, and compass, those things help them to move ahead. And another thing, source. Sources of history, how they know it. Sources are two types. One is primary and another one is secondary. In primary, what are the primary? Primary original documents. What documents they found there, and art of work, monuments. These things help us to know about history, and by that report written by historians and scholars. Secondary source was that historians and scholars, they met. And what things change in modern world? Social, religious and political. Social, their living pattern is changed. How they live with peace, they thinking about. And religious, people were not believing superstitions. They find out the truth. And political means art of govern. Politics camps. Many philosophers given view about the politics. So today what you learn from this topic? What is modern world and what things changed in Europe when it started change social, religious and political. What are the periods? Renaissance, Reformation and Counter-Reformation, exploration and discoveries, imperialism, industrialization. How it impact? Like, share and comment. That things motivate me to teach nicely. Thank you.